Yo guys, I'm HP, this is Dr. Pink, and today's topic is a drop type rock guitar riff. A complicated title for something which I'm pretty sure you will love a lot. This is how it's gonna sound. And so on and so on. Yo, what are we talking about today? Today's rock music or today's rock guitar riffs are using a lot of dropped guitar tunings or 7-string guitars, 8-string guitars to get this low vibe. And some of you guys probably don't have a 7-string guitar, or they don't want to play with drop tunings. And with this riff you can create a simulation of a drop tuning, you already noticed, without changing anything on your regular guitar. And there's a really easy trick to do that. And then you sound automatically modern, because you hear a lot of these drop tunings, or dropped tuning type guitar riffs in modern blues or modern rock. So this is basically just a regular progression, D, B to C, something you already know, but we want to sound it more modern, more special. And also the sound setting might be an issue to talk about. I'm using any type of vintage amp on medium distortion. You know, this gives this crunchy brewing, swampy sound. And you have the impression I'm using a 7 or 8 string guitar, but it's just Dr. Pink. So now I'm going to show you how the whole thing is played. I already mentioned that the riff which you're playing, well, the chord progression is something you probably heard like 1,000 times, but we want to make it sound special. We are in the key of D, and we're playing at the beginning D5 to B5, C. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3. That's what we're playing. But we want to make it sound special. And the trick how you do that is that you don't play regular power chords. You play, basically, here's the D, and you play D with the A in the bass. And in this case, I'm also adding the triad here, the F, to give it this more swampy sound. And because you're playing this type of power chords, you get this dropped vibe. Okay, so now D and B would be like this. Here are the, whoa, what is this guy? This is a baritone guitar, but in fact it's just a trick here. It's the B with the F in the bass, and with the triad that will be the open D string. And then we go to C, which is the same chord shape here. And now the riff which is playing is really simple. We play 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4. So we 1 and 2, and then we're moving up. Okay? 1 and 2, 3, and I prefer playing with finger picking in this case, but I'm at the moment on the vibe of playing a lot of things with finger style, but you can play with the pick, but with finger style will just be, so you have a better touch for the strings. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, and he just slide in. Okay? We play that 3 times, and that we don't play the same thing all the time. Second time we make a little variation. We play additionally the open G string. Okay, that is played 3 times. Then we go in the second section, then we go to F5, and we switch to the regular F5 power chord. This one here, there's no way we can make a variation on this one here, but we're doing these dead notes on 4 ends. 1, 2, 3, 4. Check out. It's a good way to give groove to your riff and to, you know, to get a really tight and proper played. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we go again to C. So we bring in intensity. Then we go back with the intensity. Then we're going back to intensity to D5, and now we're using the regular D5 here. 3rd fret, 2nd fret, damped, A string, then with the A in the bass again to give this dropped sound. And then we go into the B5 and C5 normal power chord. As you can hear now, it doesn't sound modern. So again, we need to add the F and in this case the G. And now we're playing 4 strings. See, it sounds like a dropped tuning. So let's do the whole thing now. Yeah, the thing is really cool. If you want to play any type of lead guitar over this, I'm going to make a tutorial where we're going to take it a little bit more to the extreme, but just to give you an idea, here it's good to keep it cool and try to follow the chords. So we start with a D, and then to B. Then we're playing a B as a double stop, and then here on the E when it goes to C. Let's do this. And it's also important to let the music breathe, you know, especially when you want to have this atmospheric blues rock type riffs. It's really, I always need to take myself back when I do soloing and stuff like that. I think let the music breathe, you know, when you do. Also when you go in high positions. It's also cool to sometimes play nothing. See, it's not really necessary. I even thought even that was too many notes, but you know, because when you play only a few notes, when you build up tension, you know, you play a few notes and then you come in with more intensity, you sound way cool. And now we're going to intensity. guys, that was the drop type rock guitar riff. I hope you enjoyed it. It's a really cool method to create this modern dropped sound without making any type of drop tunings. You can do most of it, by the way, and really often use keys, or of course if you take 5-finger death punch, everything is on dropped B. So you probably need a 7-string guitar in this case, because the B, well, it doesn't sound so cool. Well, it works if you have a bass player who goes below. Yeah. But all types of tunings, they also work like this, and it's really cool. If you want to download this cool backing track plus the tabs of the riff which I just showed, it's available in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. Please join there. Please support the work which me and Dr. Pink are doing with the premium membership, or just by sharing the information that me and Dr. Pink are existing and helping to grow the community. Another topic quickly, less is more. I discovered in these days that I really love to do fingerstyle guitar even on soloing, but then I cannot play so fast as with the pick. Okay, some guys can do, but for me it's way cooler to have a total control over the tone. Get it exactly. Get it exactly the way I want. And if you let me know if you're interested that I extend this into tutorials to learn kind of fingerstyle lead guitar, kind of Mark Knopfler, but I also enjoy, of course, Matteo Mancuso. He really encouraged me to go the way with fingerstyle, because I always thought you cannot never play fast with distorted sound settings with fingerstyle guitar. He proved you can. So I went into this and discovered it's really a cool technique, even when you don't play so fast, you know. It's really cool. Let me know. Good, that's all me and Dr. Picker having to say. Please join the Academy. See you guys.